Now there will be the part of the delivery. Okay, but before going for the delivery, I just want to book some the stock, or like make a goods receipt first, and then we will go for the delivery, so we can complete the part of the sales operations. So I'll go, and in inventory itself there is an option available for the goods receipt. So whatever the again, in all operations form, there is facility available of the scanning. Okay, so you will get this in each and every form. You can go here and you can select the your warehouse where you want to book a order. You want to do the receipt of the receipt of the stock directly, which from this particular document system will create goods receipt document, and at that point of time you can select an warehouse, and then you can select a grade, and then you can select your the cost account for the goods receipt, and you can say that you with which price list you want to book, like make a goods receipt here. Now you can say that there is option available, add new row. So whenever like you are like scanning this particular barcode, so you can see that this particular image is come, and also you can see information of that particular related to that particular barcode is come. Now you can scan again. Okay, add new row is there. So what will happen? It will add that much rows, how many whatever quantity you are scanning one on one. One is that, and you can add this and you can pause this. So for the goods receipt, there can be a chances you might be working, and you want to add some few quantities again, so you will be able to add the same add some the quantities again of the some like products, and then you can post it. So when you post this particular document, this will give you this document is posted, and then in the detail itself there is a like the posted status, and the base document is showing here, and then there is one of the gold like gold button available. In that also you can see the goods receipt is posted along with the rates which you have been provided here. Okay, so this way, goods receipt document will get posted. One is that when you are doing the same with the add new row. In case you want to do it, you want to do it the receipt in this particular warehouse with this particular grade. What is grade? In the FashionNX module, in that there is a one like menu available to define your grade. So whatever the products we are like getting in, whenever the we are generating the batch, or we are generating the stock in the system, so we can assign the grade to that particular product batches. So from here you can select that. You can keep it mandatory as well as we can you can see that setting also available in the setting. You can see here block receipt from production without grade. So we can you know set this mandatory, or like we can say that this is not a mandatory as well, the grade one. Now you can select any of the price list, and again I'm not going to click here add new row, and I'm just scanning this barcode here, and I'm scanning the quantity again. Sorry, I can delete row, and I can say that manual quantity and apply. One second. Basically, what happens? It get quantity get updated into the same under the same row. It won't create the another row here. So you can select any of the price because at the time of the goods receipt, uh, okay, let's see. So when you will scan this, the quantity will get updated here itself. It won't generate the another row. And there is facility available also for the delete row, and you can say that you want to add the quantity manually. Then this particular like text box will get there, and you can put some quantity over there, and you can say apply it. So this way you will be able to add the quantity manually also. So that particular quantity you are getting here, and you can say that add it and post it. Sorry, again, this was immediately not posting the goods receipt, but because some of the cases user don't want posting immediately, that is why this has been provided. You can add it and you can post it later on after adding few items here. Next is that you can again post it. So this is two ways of updating the quantities, and you can uncheck here. Another is that there can be a different, like you are having a warehouse with the bins, and then also you want to make a inward of the like make a receipt in different bins as well. So that is possible, or like you want to directly scan and post this inventory in this particular bin. You can see here I'm scanning the item here, and you can see what are the bin you have been selected which is coming here. In case you are having another, you want to scan it some quantity in another bin, and it will get show you that in this bin you are scanning some quantity. So in case you want to change it, okay, not mandatory, you have to scan all quantities one by one. You want to change it manually also, that is possible. So after doing this, you can add it and you can post it, and go back and post this. So in for this particular item, you will be able to see in the posted document, the inventory is posted in the bins as well. Okay, so whatever the inventory you know posted in this particular bin, you can see here in the SAP B1 batch transaction report. So this way you will be able to do a receipt with the bins as well. Similarly, in case you want to update, or like in bulk, you are having the inventory receipt in the different you can say that in the different bins, you want to directly make a receipt here in the different bins. So there can be also, there is the goods receipt with no bin facility available to import directly. That you can do it, and there is the another template in which you can okay. So you can make a receipt directly in the different bins as well. Okay. For that, you have to provide no bins. Okay. You can provide the bins as well. Okay. This one. This will use it. So in that, you can say add new and manual quantity, and just say that import here. Okay. So you can see what are the quantities provided. In that, there was a different bin ABS or bin code was there. You can see in this particular doc. Yeah. Okay. There was one of the barcode, which is the SKU we can called, which is assigned for the particular size and color. Along with that, where we can provide the two bin. Exactly, this is bin ABS actually from the This is, you can see here. Okay, this is the bin data. O bin, this is the table, and in that we are getting the internal code of the bin. So by using it, you can say that exactly in which bin ABS, what barcode you want to keep it up, and what is the quantity of it. So based upon that, uh, okay. So based upon that, you will be able to make a receipt of it, and you can post it directly again. So with bin, without bin, with bin warehouse, without bin warehouse, so entire like functionality you can operate here from the for the goods receipt. And further to it, in the different documents we are having this facility available in terms of the import common functionality. I just want to mention it, import functionality available through the Excel in the different documents. Like we are having the facility, for the goods receipt we can do this with the no bins. We can use the this particular format of the template for the if we want to transfer anything from the one bin to another bin, so that we can do it. Also, in case we are want to transfer some inventory from the where the inventory is available into non-bin warehouse, but from that non-bin warehouse also we can transfer the inventory through this particular template. Similarly, there is a goods issue, like for the goods issue also you can have such kind of template for the no bin warehouse. And for the bin warehouse, further to it, obviously the two bin ABS we have to provide it separately. So these all templates available, and which is through which you can import all this.